Wanna know how to sort an array in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, we have this code right here. You can just simply copy up and modify your code. So we have an array with 3 numbers right here. That is 4, 1 and 3. We have declared it with integer number. So it's inside an array. So we just call Arrays.sort with parenthesis num. So right here you can see it as well, Arrays.sort with parenthesis num, and boom, it's sorted on ascending order. To print the array, we use Arrays.toString nums. Because just printing nums won't show value directly, so we need to connect it. And that's it. This is great for leaderboard scores, price filtering, and more. It works with strings too, and sorting is done using efficient algorithms behind the scenes, like quicksort or mod-sort. Java makes it simple, clean and fast. I hope this video helped. You can also see the results. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.